So Niraj, the question that I have for you today is if I'm a sales rep and I'm not hitting my quota consistently or any kind of, I guess, hope, what advice do you have to help me achieve that quota or even blow through it?
The best advice I have, Darryl, is invest in yourself. So if you look at most people working in companies these days, you have to have between 2 years and 5 years at university. You go through years of apprenticeship sometimes, whereas salespeople get 1 day's training and that's it. There's never any follow-up, and you can't be good with 1 day's training. It has to be ongoing. And every sales rep I meet that's not hitting target is because they're not reading books, they're not listening to audio CDs, they're not going to conferences once a year, and they're not getting trained. So it's really, really important to invest in yourself and treat sales like a profession, and you will go really far.
What I love about that advice, and it's so true, is that so many people don't want to spend the money to buy a sales book or to watch a sales session. But the reality is, this is your career. This is what brings you your compensation, allows you to get those commissions, allows you to get that upward career progression. Why would you not invest in yourself? And yet, the fact of the matter is, we still have to give that very advice.
We do. I say, look, don't consider this a cost. It's not a cost, it's an investment. And if you can't invest £10 in a book, you don't have a career. Change careers, go somewhere else, really and truly. Don't work in sales. A lot of people think sales, they watch The Wolf of Wall Street and they get carried away. That's not reality. Sales is a great profession, but you got to work really hard. And it's all about giving value to the clients. It's about building relationships long term. That's what sales is.
So there you have it. You want to be successful, you're not hitting quota, you're not happy where you're at, it starts with you. Take the money, take the time, whatever it requires, rearrange your schedule, but make it a priority and invest in you. Because you know what? You're worth it. You got goals, you got dreams. Make it happen. Thank you, Niraj. I appreciate it.
Absolute pleasure, Darryl. Good to see you, man.